Hey guys, so let's talk about operators. An operator is a program element that is applied to one or more operands in an expression or statement. The one that you will probably use the most is the assignment operator. It allows setting or assigning a value to a variable. It assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. Consider the following example. We assign the value 100 to the first variable, and then assign the variable value to the second one. Both variables end up with the same value. Please note that this is not an equality operator, it does not compare values. Then we have common arithmetic operators. As expected, they allow us to perform math operations with variables and values. Please note that the addition operator is also used to string concatenation. Now let's see the increment and decrement operators. The increment operator adds 1 unit to the variable in question. And in the same way, the decrement operator subtracts 1 unit from the variable. Combining the math and assignment operator, it's possible to create compound operators. These provide a shorter way for incrementing or decrementing a variable by a specified number of units. We can use this shorter version with all the basic operators. And please note that you can also use it for string concatenation as well. A less common one is the remainder operator. It returns the remainder of two values. The remainder is the amount left over after dividing a value by another one. For example, if you divide 100 by 3, the remainder is 1. 100 is equal to 33 times 3 plus 1. A common use is to check if a certain value is odd or even. A number is even when the remainder of the value division by 2 equals 0.